Hi everyone, I'm Ana Sofia and I'll be running the workshop From Service Provider to Trusted Partner, How to Communicate Your Value. This session is about something most of us struggle with at some point, explaining what we do in a clear, confident, and professional way. If clients don't understand what they actually gain from working with us, conversations become much harder than they need to be. So we're going to look at practical ways to fix that. From our everyday interactions with clients, whether it is through email, quote requests, or even in calls, what usually happens in these scenarios. We'll also take a look at your visibility, whether it is your website, LinkedIn, maybe a newsletter, and even the events you attend. So these are the things that we'll go through together. How to communicate your value, how to position yourself as a specialist and a trusted partner, and most importantly, how to use the tools that you already have to attract the right clients. Looking forward to meeting you, everyone, at ELIA together in Porto in February. Hope to see you there.